Watch until the end.
Yup. Yeah. Nice. Mm-hmm. Perfect. Ah. Last item. Thank you, Dollar Tree. Time to make it happen, yup. All right, TikTok, I'm home. Here's another meal you can make from the Dollar Tree for $7.50. Yup. We're done. One, two. All right, TikTok, there we go. Look at that. China one from the Dollar Tree, huh? Banger. Yup. I amaze myself sometimes too with these meals I put together. Because these meals are absolutely put together while I see what's available at the store. Yup. Now you tell me how much this can help someone out. Oh, yeah. That's why the favorite uncle. Yup. I'm loving that the Dollar Tree is close to me. I could do them anytime I want. I hope y'all not getting tired of these. I hope not. Thunder Main once again. Get it.
Watch till the end.
Guess where I'm at? Oh, yeah. Dollar Tree, baby. Let's make it happen. Oh, yeah. All right, TikTok, I'm home. Let's see what we got. Yup. Everything $6. Yup. Okay, TikTok, I'm done. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3. You know what's a trip, TikTok? I really loved it when you guys still told me to keep making these. I said, awesome, I sure will. Even though Dollar Tree never got at me, you guys get at me. And I love it. Awesome.
Watch until the end.
Yup. One of these will work. Yup. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Ah. Oh, yeah. Everything 750. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Dollar Tree. Now let's go get it. Oh, yeah. Okay, TikTok, I made it home. Now here's another meal you can make from the Dollar Tree for 750. Oh, yeah. Okay, TikTok, I'm done. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3. There we have it, TikTok. Another inexpensive meal. Mm-hmm. Awesome. A nice Asian banger. This'll work, TikTok. What do you think? Let me know. Mm-hmm. Awesome.
Watch until the end.
Yup. Yup. Okay. Yeah. This will work. Last item. Thank you, Dollar Tree. Time to go make it happen, yup. Home, TikTok. Here's another meal from the Dollar Tree for $10, y'all. We're done, TikTok. Assemble. TikTok, who needs Chinese takeout from the Dollar Tree? Look at that. Awesome, right? Now that's fire. Yup. Who needs 2 plates from the Dollar Tree for $8? That's takeout. Chinese takeout. I'll take that. Yup. On a serious note, TikTok, look at that. If they don't have it, Thunder Maine will make it. Oh, yeah. Remember them items I put on the table? Made this. Yup. That's what makes me your favorite uncle, right? Oh, yeah. Thunder in effect. Yup. Gosh, I wish you guys can taste it. Wow, it's off the hook. Trust me. Until I crack the next one, Thunder Maine, once again. Awesome. Yup.